Well, at the last International Congress on Obesity, which was held in Vancouver early in May 2016, I made the point that we have so much robust now scientific evidence that we need now to fill the gap between what we know and what we do in clinical practice and what we say in terms of public health recommendation. For instance, indeed, waist circumference provides additional information to the clinician in terms of assessing risk of developing chronic condition on top of the body mass index. It is the same actually for nutritional quality, which can be measured with very simple tools these days. Same thing for the level of physical activity, and a similar critique can be made also to not measuring cardiorespiratory fitness, which is probably the most powerful risk factor there is out there. So there is a need indeed to align the science. We have now 4 vital signs, and at the International Chair on Cardiometabolic Risk, we're going to pursue working really hard with our international colleagues in terms of medical and public health education to make sure that eventually those 4 vital signs, and I repeat, measuring waist circumference, cardiorespiratory fitness, nutritional quality, and physical activity, are incorporated in clinical practice, and that the importance of paying attention to those 4 targets, such importance is conveyed also in our public health messages.